Hello my dear students. So soonly you have the exams. Maybe you are planning for Wednesday. You have the tests of 20 mark. So for that two chapters are there. This is for class 6. So two chapters, first chapter and second chapter you have to read and read all the maximum, try to read all the exercise answers, exercise solution and exercise answers. You have to read all the exercise solutions. So I am going to discuss in this class both the chapters revision and exercise. So that is, this is the revision class 6 revision of both first chapter and second chapter. That is food, where does it come from? Second one is food, where does it come from? Second one is components of food. Components of okay. See here. So first chapter is food, where does it come from? So I will start. Okay, why do we need food? That matters more. Food is the essential component that helps us growth of our body. So page number, all of you open page number 6. From that we can, from keywords we can discuss something, and after that summary, and after that exercise. Keywords, ingredients. Ingredients, if you know ingredients, what are ingredients? If the food is prepared, what items we are putting in the food, those are called as ingredients. Okay, suppose if you are preparing tea, so what you need? Tea powder you need, water you need sugar, you need milk. So these are called as ingredients. Okay, so edible parts means it comes towards plants. What are edible parts of a plant? So those parts of a plant which can be eaten are called as edible parts of a plant. So nectar is a sweet juice found in the flower. Okay, it is a sweet juice found in flower. Next, sprouted seeds. So what are sprouted seeds? Those seeds which will be white in color when they are dipped in water. Okay, so those leave a white like structures. Okay, so then herbivore means, you know, the animals which eat only plant for their food. Only eat plants and plant products for their food are called as herbivores. Examples we can see: cow, buffalo, goat, okay, elephant. These are the examples we can see. Next is carnivore. Carnivore means the animals which eat only flesh as food. Those are called as carnivores. Mausavan tintakanta pranigalu, flesh of other animals. So carnivores are tiger, lion, cheetah, eagle, shark. These are carnivores. Omnivorous, those animals which eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals are called as omnivorous. For example, cat, dog, human. So you can say man. So summary. There is a lot of variation in food eaten in different regions of India. Of course, there is a lot of variation in food different regions of India. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಂಧ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ರೈಸ್ ಎಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಮಂಗಳೂರು, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಸೈಡ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಈಟ್ ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದ ಮೋರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸೈಡ್, you will be eating more roti and chapatis. Okay, so the main source of food are plants and animals. Of course, where we get the main source of food is plants and animals. The animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivorous. So more question can answer here. So we will go for exercise. Do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? No. All living beings does not need the same kind of food. Okay. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. 5 plants and their parts that we eat. See, 5 plants and their parts. We have to name any 5 plants and we have to mention it which part of this plant I am going to eat. For example, in sugarcane we eat the stem. Is not it? So we have already discussed stems as a food, roots as a food. You please go through that video and please be perfect with this. See, all the questions, 90% of the questions I will ask from exercise only. In your exams, 90% of the questions will be asked from exercise only. Fill in the blanks, match the following, true or false. Those questions will be asked, and along with that 2 more questions will be asked. Okay, so match the items given in column A with that in column B. So column A is there: milk, curd, paneer, ghee, spinach, cauliflower, carrot, lions and tigers, herbivorous. So if you see milk, curd, paneer, ghee, what it does? These are all animal products. These come from animal. Means these all are animal products. Next, spinach, cauliflower, carrot. They are vegetables. These are what? Vegetables. Lions and tigers, they eat other animals. So first one, herbivorous, eat plants and plant products. So no need to worry about the answers. I will send the answers in your WhatsApp group today only. Okay, for both the chapters I will send the answers. Please refer that, and all questions will come from that only. Okay, next, fill up in all, not all questions, 90% of the questions. More than 90% of the questions will come from that. Fill up the blanks with the words given. Okay, tiger is a dash because it eats only meat. Tiger is a carnivore. It is a carnivore. Deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivore. Parrot eats only dash products. That is, parrot eats only plant products. The dash that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goats, is an animal product. That is milk. We get sugar from sugarcane. Okay. Yes, this is regarding this chapter. That is, the chapter is, which one is this? Food, where does it come from? I hope everything is clear in this chapter. Please, if you have any doubts, let me know. Okay, please, in the exercise they have not given definition of herbivorous, carnivorous, but I may ask. Okay, why? Because it is there in summary. I may ask a question from summary and exercise. I can say you define herbivorous and give examples. 2 more question, very easy. Define carnivorous and give examples. So give 2 examples, half of mark, that 1 mark, and definition 1 mark. So shall we move for the next components of food? Okay. So we'll go for components of food. This one we will do. Okay. See, in components of food, this is little bit bigger chapter. Okay. So here, if you come, keywords: balanced diet, berry. Balanced diet means the food which containing all the nutrients in proper proportions is called balanced diet. Berry is a disease that comes from the deficiency of vitamin B. Carbohydrates or food nutrients. Energy is given by nutrients. Fats, minerals, these are also food nutrients. You should remember which food item is containing fats, which food item is containing carbohydrates. Proteins, nutrients, proteins also there. Milk, fish, egg, they contain proteins. Fats is oils, carbohydrate means pulses and grains. Roughage is also needed to our body, but it will not give any nutrient to our body. Roughage nam yaude nutrient kodalla. Then what it does? It helps the digestion process. It helps the metabolism. ದೇಹದ ಉಳಿದ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಸರಳವಾಗುವ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. After that, scurvy. You know, scurvy is a disease that is coming from which one? Lack of vitamin C. Starch is nothing but another name of carbohydrate. So where we can say main component of carbohydrate rather than another name. Starch is the main component of carbohydrate. Vitamins, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and vitamin K is also there for your syllabus. So you have to know that. Okay. Shall we go for summary? Yes. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates. 1 minute, 1 second. Okay. So, summary, the major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. In addition, food also contains dietary fibers and waters. So, the major nutrients ivadava ella nimge gottada already. Carbohydrates, fats, these all are there. Okay. Carbohydrates and fats mainly provide energy to our body. So carbohydrates and fats mainly provide energy to our body, and they are energy giving foods. Proteins are giving growth to our body, that is growth food. Proteins and minerals are needed for growth and maintenance of our body. So protein and minerals are needed for the maintenance and growth of our body. Vitamins help in protecting body against diseases. So what vitamin do is it helps in protecting against disease. ಯಾವುದೇ ತರಹದ ರೋಗಗಳ ಬರದ ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಗಳು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತವೆ. Balanced diet provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities along with the adequate amount of roughage and water. See, balanced diet, what it does, it provides all the nutrients that our body needs. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. In right quantities along with adequate amount of roughage and water. It gives in right quantities, that is in adequate amount of roughage and water. Deficiency of roughage ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, then water content also it gives. Deficiency of one or more nutrients in our food for a long time may cause certain diseases or disorders. So if any one vitamin is deficient, so it will cause disease or disorder for a long time. So we'll go for exercises. Okay, we'll do these exercises. Name the major nutrients in our food. So what are the major nutrients in our food? Okay, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, roughage, water. These are the major nutrients in our food. Name the following. You have to name these following, the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. So which are the nutrients that mainly give energy to our body? The nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. So the nutrients which give energy to our body is fats and carbohydrates. B is the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Proteins, vitamins, okay, not vitamins, minerals. The vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight, vitamin A. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy, calcium. Calcium is important for both bone and teeth. Name 2 foods each rich in fat, starch, dietary fiber, protein. You should remember fats, oils, flesh, that is chicken, mutton you can say. Starch means carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is present in roti, that is you can say wheat, rice, millet. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೇನು ಗೋಧಿ, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ. Dietary fiber. So dietary fiber is also present in groundnut, peanut, potato. Okay, these are there, you can see them. Okay, it is there, you can see them and write them also, not a problem. Protein is available in milk, fish, egg. So it's protein available. Tick the statements that are correct. By eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. By eating rice alone we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. No, it is not correct. So it is false. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Yes, deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. If you eat a balanced diet, deficiency diseases can be prevented. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Yes, ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ತಿಂದರೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಯಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನೇಮ್ 2 foods each name 2 foods which are rich in carbohydrates, name 4 foods or name 4 foods which are rich in proteins. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೋದ್ರು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೀವೇನಿರಬೇಕು, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಮೀಟ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ನೋ, ಮೀಟ್ ಅಲೋನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವೆಜ್ಜು ಬೇಕು, ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವೆಜ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸು ಬೇಕು. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Yes, we'll go for fill in the blanks. Shall we move for fill in the blanks? Yes. First question A. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Which one is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Is rickets. So rickets is a disease that is caused by vitamin D. Okay, where is vitamin D present? It is present mainly in sunlight. Sunlight is the main source of Dash. That is, sunlight is the main source of vitamin D. Deficiency of Dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Deficiency of Dash in the sense here, deficiency of vitamin B causes a disease known as beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of Dash in our food. That is, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food. So this is regarding the first 2 chapters. Okay, and I will put the questions on these 2 chapters only. Okay, so please go through the chapter. Okay, please read it once again. I will send all the answers, that is exercise question answers. So exercise question answer and summary, if you are perfect in these 2, enough. That is more than enough. Okay, 95% of the questions will come from this only. Okay, so thank you. We'll see the remaining things in the next class. All the best for your exams.